Most buildings don't highlight the men's room on their tour, but this isn't most buildings. The bathrooms in the Tri-North headquarters feature super high efficiency solar-powered faucets that operate by light fixtures above and use no electrical power. This bathroom also features a waterless urinal and dual flush toilets. The waterless urinals alone offer major water savings from 5,000 to 6,000 gallons per urinal per month. The dual flush toilets add water savings of about 50% for liquid waste. With all of its various water-saving technologies combined, the company estimates that this building's total water savings will add up to approximately 300,000 gallons a year.